So today is an incredible day for all the folks here in Fairdale and UPS's healthcare facility. We're celebrating 1 billion COVID tests shipped from this facility. You know, it's really a celebration for our people, right? When we began this thing 2 years ago, this was an empty warehouse. And for us, 2 years later, we've shipped 1 billion COVID tests out of this facility in little old Fairdale, Kentucky. And every UPSer that's been a part of this, from business development to our air freight folks to our package partners, it's been a monumental effort because there's not been a moment when we weren't working here. And we're so proud of everybody that's been a part of this.
I'm super excited. We have shipped our 1 billionth test kit, and the team has done a great job. So we're here to celebrate.
When you look at the impact that we've had on our local community, our national community, and the globe, in getting the world back on its feet, getting people access to COVID tests, all those things, I mean, it makes me proud to be a UPSer.